Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. One of our viewer interested to get the details in the miles instead of the kilometers. So there is a quick setting for this. You just need to press the home button and then press settings. Then you have a unit of measurement. We have two options over here, metric and imperial. By selecting imperial, you will have all your units in miles and yards. So thanks for watching. This is Suzuki signing off from SMARTDrive.